Welcome to WeSo Health Tips, your go-to channel for exploring natural remedies, wellness secrets, and cultural traditions that keep us thriving. Today, we're diving into bananas, one of the world's most versatile and nutritious foods. Stick around as we uncover their health benefits, cultural significance, and even some traditional remedies you might not know. Bananas aren't just a delicious snack. They're packed with nutrients that support your body in so many ways. Let's break it down. Loaded with potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, all essential for overall wellness. Heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduces heart disease risk. Digestion. The fiber aids gut health, preventing bloating and constipation. Energy boost. Natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose give you instant fuel, perfect for pre- or post-workout. Mood enhancer. Contains tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Muscle recovery. Ideal for replenishing electrolytes and carbohydrates after intense exercise. Weight management. The fiber keeps you full longer, helping with appetite control. No wonder athletes love bananas. But beyond nutrition, bananas play a huge role in different cultures worldwide. Let's explore. Bananas are deeply woven into culinary traditions around the world. Let's take a foodie trip. Jamaica and the Caribbean. Used in porridge, smoothies, and desserts like banana fritters. West Africa. Pair perfectly with ground nuts and are fried into kelaweel, Ghana's famous spiced plantain dish. Latin America. Sweet fried bananas called platanos maduros are a popular side dish. India and South Asia. Ripe bananas are used in banana halwa and traditional fritters. Fun fact, bananas even play a religious role in some cultures, offered in temples and used in traditional healing practices. But bananas aren't just for eating, they have powerful medicinal uses too. Rubbing banana peel on acne, insect bites, or minor wounds reduces inflammation. Banana tea, made from banana peels, used for relaxation and better sleep. Banana hair mask. Mashed banana plus coconut oil hydrates and strengthens dry hair. Banana stem juice. Popular in South India, helps kidney health and detoxification. Green banana soup. Used in some cultures to regulate blood sugar levels. Who knew bananas could be this powerful? Now, let's take a quick history lesson, because bananas have been around for a long time. Bananas were first domesticated in New Guinea around 8000 BC. They spread to the Philippines, India, Africa, and later the Americas via Spanish colonization. Today, bananas are grown in 135 countries. Did you know bananas are even fermented into alcoholic beverages? In Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda, banana beer and mbij, a banana and millet brew, are traditional drinks. Bananas are truly a superfood with deep cultural roots. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more natural health insights. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to enjoy bananas? See you next time.